Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon Timestream. So this lecture will contain all these topics, two types. What is Amazon Timestream for InfluxDB? What is Amazon Timestream for live analytics and use cases like IoT applications, DevOps applications and analytics applications. Then Timestream for live analytics key benefits, key concepts of Timestream for live analytics and database model. So there are two types, or I can say there are two flavors. So first one is Amazon Timestream for InfluxDB and next one is Amazon Timestream for live analytics. Live analytics is more popular compared to InfluxDB. InfluxDB is basically a kind of managed service for a database known as InfluxDB, which is a time series based database. So I'll be talking more about live analytics in this lecture, and most of the features are similar in both the database flavors. So first one, Amazon Timestream for InfluxDB. So what is Timestream for InfluxDB? Amazon Timestream for InfluxDB is a managed time series database engine that makes it easy for application developers and DevOps teams to run Influx databases on AWS for real-time time series applications using open source APIs. With Amazon Timestream for InfluxDB, it is easy to set up, operate, and scale time series workloads that can answer queries with a single-digit millisecond query response time. Amazon Timestream for InfluxDB gives you access to the capabilities of familiar open source version of InfluxDB on its 2.x branch. And this means that the code, applications and tools you already use today with your existing InfluxDB open source databases should work seamlessly with Amazon Timestream for InfluxDB. Amazon Timestream for InfluxDB can automatically back up your database and keep your database software up to date with the latest version. In addition, Amazon Timestream for InfluxDB makes it easy to use replication to enhance database availability and improve data durability. As with all AWS services, there are no upfront investments required and you pay only for the resources that you use. Next, Amazon Timestream for the live analytics. So Amazon Timestream for live analytics is a fast, scalable, fully managed, purpose-built time series database that makes it easy to store and analyze trillions of time series data points per day. Timestream for live analytics saves you time and cost in managing the life cycle of time series data by keeping recent data in memory and moving historical data to a cost-optimized storage tier based upon user-defined policies. Time series for live analytics purpose-built query engine lets you access and analyze recent and historical data together without having to specify its location. Amazon Timestream for live analytics has built-in time series analytics functions, helping you identify trends and patterns in your data in near real time. Timestream for live analytics is serverless and automatically scales up or down to adjust capacity and performance. Because you don't need to manage the underlying infrastructure, you can focus on optimizing and building your applications. Timestream for live analytics also integrates with commonly used services for data collection, visualization and machine learning. You can send data to Amazon Timestream for live analytics using AWS IoT Core. There's another service for Internet of Things applications, and Amazon Kinesis, Amazon managed service for Kafka, and open source software known as Telegraph. You can visualize data using Amazon QuickSight, Grafana, and business intelligence tools used through JDBC protocol. You can also use Amazon SageMaker AI with Timestream for live analytics for machine learning. So this is the first use case you can use for IoT applications, and herein you have IoT devices which will trigger or they'll send IoT data to, let's say, IoT Greengrass service. You can connect devices through connector, or you can trigger functions in Lambda functions. And from here from IoT Greengrass, you can process low volume time series data, and that goes into IoT Core. And from here also, you can forward data and transform data and send it to IoT Core And high volume time series data you can first send to Kinesis, which is like acting as a buffer. Then you can do some data processing also using Kinesis data analytics, which is optional. And you can trigger Lambda functions also if you want. But more important is you can store directly your time series data into Amazon Timestream, because IoT applications usually produce massive amount of data at a very rapid pace. So that can be stored in Timestream. And in this case, we are talking about live analytics, and from here you can do any kind of analysis and visualization. So you can connect to Grafana and create custom dashboards. You can use JDBC. You can analyze data in SageMaker for your machine learning models and serving, and you can visualize data directly in QuickSight. So this is second use case, DevOps application. So here you can collect and analyze operational metrics to monitor health and usage, and analyze data in real time to improve performance and availability. So all your source data can go to data collection agents, and from here you can use this one option is you can use Prometheus or Telegraph, and you can send time series data to your Amazon Timestream, and from here again you can use any of those visualization and analysis tool like Grafana, JDBC, and SageMaker and QuickSight. And lastly, you can have analytics applications. So you can send your source data to Kinesis and a managed service for Kafka. So they act as a buffer. So once they are stored here for example, temporary period, then those will be processed through Kinesis data analytics, or you can analyze the streams in here. And once you have done some kind of processing, you can send to Timestream. This is the main place where all time series data is stored. And finally, same thing, you can do visualization and analysis using Grafana, JDBC, SageMaker, or QuickSight. So Timestream for live analytics key benefits. So this it offers serverless architecture with automatic scaling, eliminating server management and capacity provisioning needs. So that is most important, that it's totally serverless. There is no servers or there is nothing to manage. It simplifies data lifecycle management through storage tiering, with memory store for recent data and magnetic store for historical data. So it has both the option. Like it can just can do a data lifecycle management and automatically transferring data based on user configured policy. So you have SSD or the fast memory store, and then hard disk drive for the archive based data. The service provides simplified data access through purpose-built query engine that transparently combines data across storage tiers without requiring data location specification. It is specifically designed for time series data analysis using SQL, featuring built-in functions for smoothing, approximation, and interpolation, along with support for advanced aggregates and complex data types. Timestream for live analytics ensures data security by maintaining encryption for all data, both at rest and in transit, with options to specify AWS KMS customer managed keys for magnetic store encryption. The service guarantees high availability for write and read requests through automatic data replication across at least 3 different availability zones within a single AWS region. So the key concepts of Timestream for live analytics are: first one, time series, which is a sequence of one or more data points or records recorded over a time interval. Examples are the price of a stock over time, the CPU or memory utilization of an EC2 instance over time, and the temperature or pressure reading of an IoT sensor over a time period. Next, a record, which is a single data point in a time series. Dimension, which is an attribute that describes the metadata of a time series. A dimension consists of a dimension name and a dimension value. Measure, the actual value being measured by the record. Examples are the stock price, the CPU or memory utilization, and the temperature or humidity reading. Measures consist of measure names and measure values. Timestamp indicates when a measure was collected for a given record. Timestream for live analytics supports timestamps with nanosecond granularity. So this is very important. It's like nanosecond. It's not even microsecond. It's even less than that. Table, a container for a set of related time series. And a database, which is a top level container for tables. Lastly, this is a database model. So here we can see a database contains 0 or more tables. Each table contains 0 or more time series. Each time series consists of a sequence of records over a given time interval at a specified granularity. Each time series can be described using its metadata or dimensions, its data or measures, and its timestamps. And that's all. Thanks for watching.